Vivo Y300i launched in China with Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 and 6500 mAh battery. Vivo has officially unveiled the Y300i, its latest addition to the Y series in China. As the successor to last year's Y200i, the new model brings incremental upgrades, including a sizable battery, 5G support, and a high refresh rate display, all at a competitive price point. At first glance, the Y300i looks like a classic budget Vivo phone, featuring a 6.68 inches HD plus LCD panel. The screen refreshes at a 120Hz refresh rate and has a 5-megapixel front-facing camera in a hole-punch cutout. Under the hood, the Y300i runs on the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, a 4nm octa-core processor with a combination of Cortex-A78 and Cortex-A55 CPUs. The graphics are handled by Adreno 613 GPU. The SoC is paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, which can be expanded virtually up to 24 GB. Storage options go up to 512 GB with UFS 2.2 technology, though there's no word on expandable storage. On the imaging front, the Y300i sports a 50-megapixel rear camera with an f1.8 aperture and LED flash, but there's no mention of an ultra-wide or additional sensors. For security, there's a side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button. Fueling the device is a massive 6500 mAh cell, which supports 44 watts fast charging. Connectivity-wise, the phone checks all the necessary boxes. It has 5G, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a USB-C port. Vivo has also retained stereo speakers and a USB-C audio setup, but lacks 3.5mm headphone jack. The Y300i comes in 3 color variants: Jade Black, Titanium, and Rime Blue. The design is relatively slim for a big battery phone, measuring around 8.1mm in thickness and weighing approximately 205 grams, depending on the color. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.